Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video about a healthcare stock which is Senseonics, the ticker symbol is SENS. In this video I will be talking about the product, what they do, why we see a volume spike and a price increase, where the stock price is heading, and what are the short-term, medium-term and long-term perspective for this particular stock. Also, end of the video I will talk about the option opportunity, so we can gain some advantage just using playing some call option. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So you can see the website for Senseonics, and you can see one person having a transmitter here. So basically this is for the people who is diabetic and for type 1 or type 2. So what the product offers, I will just go through very quickly. So they put a sensor under your skin, and there is a transmitter, and it sends the signal, the glucose level to your mobile phone. And how it works, there is a video. You can go to their website, you can look for it. I'm not gonna touch all of this, rather I want to talk about something else. So here you can see, like, for the US population between 1958 to 2015, and you can see how the number of people with diabetes and their percentage also is increasing, right? So you can see how it is increasing. Also, like, I looked at some other sources, like in 2018, 34 million people of all age, which is like more than 10% of US population, they have diabetes. So it's a growing market. With time, like, more people are having diabetes, and there will be more need to monitor their glucose levels. So there is a big market for this, right? And also I want to show you another one, Dexcom, which is the leader for providing this kind of glucose monitoring system, and their price is currently $412, whereas the stock I'm talking is only $4. And why I'm showing this, because there is a long-term opportunity with this particular stock, because the market caps are different, but one is like 412, and the stock I'm talking about, if they bring something new, if they get the FDA approval, this can be massive as well. Also, if I go to FinVich, you can see the relative volume is 1.74. Normally the average daily volume is 37 million, but nowadays it's 65 million. I also normally go to barchart.com and I look at all US exchange volume leaders. You can see all the stocks having higher volume. SNDL, yes, we know. Zoom, yes. BNGO, yes. But you can also find our particular stock, SENS. You can see the 65 million on 12th of February, whereas your regular volume is like 37 million. So volume is increasing for this particular stock. And why, I will come back to this particular chart later, but this is a weekly chart, and you can see that in 2018 the stock price was like 4.9. it came all the way like 0.5 cent. And what's happening in last few weeks, you can see some big green candle. So the stock is going high, is almost everything is green, like on a weekly chart. So I'll come back here soon. Also, there are many articles why the stock price is rising. So one is a technical indicator like 50-day moving average, blah blah blah. You can go over this. Also, like, they are also waiting for a FDA approval. This is important. Whenever they get it, this stock will shoot up. So they are waiting for approval, and it will come soon. And this is the anticipation that when it will come, the first half of 2021, it can be summer of 2021. And why? Currently the product they have is indicated for continually measuring glucose level in person age 18 and older with diabetes for up to 90 days. So this is what they have currently, right? And the FDA approval they are waiting, basically this is for 180 days. Let me see. Okay, this 180 days, yeah. So they're working on two different things. One is 180-day period, one is 365-day period, and this will be massive, because like instead of 90, if it becomes 180, it's double, and if it is 365, then definitely it is 4 times. It will be a massive boost to this particular stock. And I think they got the approval for 180 days in Europe, and currently they are waiting for US. And whenever the FDA approval will come, we know the healthcare stock, this kind of stock, just likes to go up. So this is very important, something is coming. Okay, and also like recently on January 21st article I'm looking at, they had a public offering at price of 1.9, keep that in mind. And currently the stock price, you can see like 4.2 January 11. So people are just buying the stock. The public offering is not impacting, they are just buying the stock. Okay, and finally, before I go to the price, I will also want to say that on February 25th, they will be presenting in a global healthcare conference. Normally, whenever they go to a conference, normally they talk about their product, the good and good things always, and also like normally this kind of thing will impact the share price. Now, looking at the chart, what we can see. Let's see here. So on a weekly level, so you see the stock price was like 3.9, 4.9, it came all the way, then picking the heat, like starting from December, January. So you can see how it is moving on a daily chart. So we had a jump from 0.5 to $1, 100% jump. Then again another jump from $1 to all the way to 384. We came down and we are trying to go up. And what is happening for last 4 consecutive days, you can see like we are trying to break this particular one, which is around 4.2 to $4.3. We are trying to break that particular resistance, which is like came way before, like in 2018, right? 2018. So whenever we break this, then we will go high. Also, the good thing is the stock is above that 3.5 line for last 4 or 5 days. So in any case, if the share price comes back to 3.5, grab some share. Definitely, I think it will bounce back, even though if it comes down. If not, watch the stock. If it can cross 4.3, it will go high. I based on previous, you see the lines here, 5.36, 4.9. Just looking at 2018 share price, these are some other resistance for this particular stock. Let me make it red. So sorry, this is not red. Okay, so, and if we can pass that $5 mark or even 5.36 something, then the stock price will go even higher, maybe $6-7. And we can always see how the stock price moved. So this leg, let's start from the top to this top, is like 190% or $2.3. So let's say this is the top, the blue line here, and if we go another $2.3, let's say 2.5 is around $7. This is what I was saying. So if we can break, we can go to even $7-8. So again, if you're looking at the long term, then definitely the stock can go even higher. If the FDA approval comes, then definitely this support resistance won't matter, it will just shoot up. Other than that, just looking at the volume for last few days, I think once we break this resistance, we will go higher. So keep that in mind. Also look at the support and resistance. I think 3.5 is a very important line. Let's look at the MACD and RSI. The RSI is very high, which is like 80. But we had like very high RSIs before, 93, you can see 95. So again, I always say for a penny stock, the RSI sometimes it does not matter, just like to go up. Also, you can look at the MACD. For a long time, the MACD, the blue line, is above that orange line. It's not even coming down. Anyway, if we are a short term, then just follow the price, lock some benefit, get out. If you are a long-term investor, again, same thing. You can buy the stock. If it comes back, you can average down, you can go up. Personally, I haven't decided yet how to play this particular stock. I just bought some options for some quick gain, and I'll see how the price is moving in long term. And as you know, like I like to play with call options. So let's look at call option here. So I'm looking at March 19th expiry date, and if you choose like $4 strike, your premium is like $1, which is $5 by March 19th. So which is may be possible. Currently we are around $4, or you can choose 4.5. For my case, what I did, they said first half of 2021, so that's why I choose July 16. Yeah, so I choose July 16th, $4 right, for $200 premium. So it means that by July, if the stock price is like $6 or more, I will be in profit. But anyway, if there is a movement, like if it goes to $4 to $5 before July, my premium will go high anyway. So this is how I'm playing. I'm trying to give it some time. One thing could be like if the stock price goes high, I will just lock some profit, or I might leave my call option for the FDA approval. Um, till July. It's not very expensive. It's just $200 for one contract. And if the stock price comes down, then and the premium might become 1.5 or even $1. Who knows? Then I will just average down. I always say like you always average down for your call option if you have a longer expiry date. If you have something like expiring next week, do not average down, and especially if it is out of the money. But for my case, I think like if it becomes $1.5 the premium, then I'll just buy another one and average down, because I know it will go up anyway. And you can also look at like 21st of January next year, and even like from July to January next year. So basically you are giving 5 month extra, you're paying only $65 more. If you choose that particular one with 265, your expiry is January next year. Lot of time for this particular stock to go higher. So anyway, it's up to you how you want to play. You can play with a shorter expiry, but when you look at the extra premium you will be paying for, and also look at the expiration date. If just paying $60 extra and you were buying 5 month, normally I like those kind of thing. Again, it's up to you. Like look at March 19th, you are paying $90. Then if you go to July, you are paying $100 more. But from July to next year January, you just pay $65 more. Entirely up to you how you want to play, but personally I choose July expiry date. These are all my thoughts. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you buy or sell any particular stock. So anyway, my friends, this is a long weekend. Monday there is no trading, so enjoy the weekend. And today is February 14th, so happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy the day with your loved ones and have a nice weekend, my friends. Take care. Peace.